With all the parts for panel 1 laid out, we are ready to assemble. Before we begin, use a knife to remove the strips from the back of the stiles. Open the hardware bags and take out the assembly screw. Join the left stile P1L to the top rail. Ensuring the edges are perfectly aligned. If the edges don't match after tightening the first screw, loosen it and use the second screw to realign. Both screws are in. Check the rail is centered between the guidelines on the stile. To attach the middle rail, just use one screw. This locks the middle rail in place, preventing it from shifting. Next, attach the bottom rail to the left stile. Again, make sure the edges are aligned. Once that's done, connect the left stile, flip the panel, so this is the back of the panel. The magnet faces up. Before attaching the right stile, insert the tension louver marked T into the stile's punched hole. How to identify the tension louver's position? The notched side should always point towards the stile with hinges. If the panel opens to the left, the hinges are on the left side, opposite to the magnet side. In this case, the tension louver's notch side goes into P1L. If your panel has more than 6 louvers per section, there will be at least one tension louver. Just check the T marked on the stile. Since the tension louver is below the middle rail, so we need to attach the bottom rail first. Again, make sure the edges are aligned before tightening the screw. Then secure the middle rail. Finally, the top rail.